Alright, so this is going to be my early submission video and demo for ShadowLoop. Uh, this is going to be the previous stable release that I have on my GitLab. I'll show the current state of my dev one, but it's currently not very functional, so I'm showing showing this stable video instead at the moment. As you can see, it looks pretty much the same, because there wasn't many UI changes. It was mainly a lot of actual functionality, like for example, the shield. As you can see, it shows up on both clients now when they join. Shadows still work as normal. I did also improve on there we go. I improved on the combat a bit as well. As you can see, the player will now actually take a couple of hits, then they die. There's hurt animations and there's a death animation. And the player should also respawn the second that the loop timer is up. There we go. As you can see, now the player is totally fine. There's still animations are still cross-platform, which is great. There are also different items. Like for example, I just used I'm using the teleport scroll on one side, and as you can see, it teleports the player, and you can see effects on both ends. There also is a trap. So if I use a trap item here, what it does is it will do a lot of damage to the player. Spikes will shoot up and freeze the player so they can't move to make it feel a bit more realistic. There also is, you can throw bombs. Might remove those because it'll be kind of hard to detect when they should actually land on what the floor should be. I might end up replacing that with something like a wand or a staff or something where you can like shoot. You can do something more long range than a spell, but something like that. So that's the current release of the stable build. I can showcase what the unless it just got fixed by some stuff I was working on right before this. This is what. Gotta wait for Unity to compile. This is what I currently have in dev. So as you can see, I did a lot of stuff. This is very, very different. Here you have, in my opinion, a really cool little main screen where it shows two of the mages like clashing and everything with a really cool shadow loop. It's a title screen. We're gonna just stop that. We're gonna have the title screen with a couple of options like host, join, all this stuff. So here we'll have host. Gonna work on that text, making it more readable. Here we're going to join as LAN, and now we can go back here and start the game. And so as you can see, it doesn't spawn the player anywhere at the moment, but it is actually doing level generation. I'm currently working on fixing the player spawn. I know what the issue is. It's just a bit hard to get it to work, but as you can see, this is it is custom level generation. This is just a small map at the moment. Like for example, remembering like so here, so I do have custom level generation. Just trying to work on getting the players to spawn in there. It's just some artifacts of some old bad code. Getting rid of that, and after that, it's going to be working on making everything just smoother. So because like I said, I do have this terrain generation kind of working at the moment. But that's the current state of everything I have at the moment. Hope you guys enjoy.